Hi, my name is Anna White. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make plywood ripping jigs out of basic materials. Now I love this jig, it works really well, it enables me to cut plywood on the floor, and it's a perfect match to my circular saw. For materials, you'll need a 1x3. Choose a piece of hardwood or a really straight board. You'll need some 1/4-inch plywood. You can cut this from a whole sheet of 1/4-inch plywood, or you can use a scrap like I'm doing. Just make sure your scrap is at least 12 inches wide and the full 8 feet long. In addition, you'll need a stapler or brad nailer with 3/4-inch fasteners, the circular saw that you're going to be customizing the jig for, some glue, a tape measure, and a pencil. I'm just going to measure in 1.5 inches on each end. I'm also going to mark it on the outside edge, and I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Now I'm going to apply glue to the 1x3. Now I'm going to attach the 1/4-inch plywood to the 1x3, matching up those marks. So I'm matching up my pencil mark. This is 1.5 inches with the board. I'm doing that on both ends. So it's all lined up. I'm just gonna hit it with some staples. You want the staples to indent into the wood. Okay, check this masterpiece out. So what I'm gonna do now is rip this side and this side with my circular saw so that whatever is left over is gonna match my circular saw's foot. So I've got my circular saw set to just a little bit past the thickness of this material. I'm gonna go ahead and make these cuts.
The jig is done, let's test it out. So confession, I actually have a really nice table saw, but the problem is it's very difficult for me to lift a piece of 3/4-inch plywood up onto the table saw deck. With this jig, I can just lay the plywood on some scrap wood or some foam and then clamp the jig to it and just cut right alongside it. It also cross cuts really well. Just make sure your plywood is fully supported so the saw blade doesn't get pinched as you cut.
So I'm actually really impressed with how easy to use this jig is and how it's customized for my saw, so I don't have to do any funny adjusting, buy any funny tools. Just throw it down there, whatever the jig covers is saved, and make my cuts. It's great for ripping, it's great for cross cutting. This is a jig that I'm keeping.